In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to hide story from someone on Facebook. This is important for maintaining privacy, setting personal boundaries, and controlling who sees your content. It allows you to share moments with specific people while avoiding unwanted attention or reactions from others. To do this, simply head to your Facebook. On your profile page, tap onto this plus icon and select on Story. You will want to tap onto the settings icon on your upper right corner of the screen. Select on Hide Story From. Now mark on who you don't want to see your story. And if you can't find them here, simply search for them in the search bar. Now once you've selected them, tap on Done to save changes. If you upload a story to your Facebook, the selected people won't see it. Well, that's how easy it is to hide Facebook stories from people on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.